Hey everyone, 12 News meteorologist Stephen Matrigrano here with a Weather Now update for you on this Sunday. We have a snow storm, I guess you can call it, on the way, a snow system, if you will. Not a blockbuster storm, but certainly it's an impactful one with snow and accumulating snow at that, and plowable snow, really. We're looking at a low pressure getting its act together along the southeastern coast. You can see that yellow arrow that I kind of drew is a rough idea of the track. It's not exactly straight, but it's a rough idea of the general track the storm's taking. It will remain offshore. This is going to be a snow system for us. We could see a little bit of mixing down towards the Cape and Islands, but for the most part, I think this is going to be a primarily snow event for the majority of the duration of the system. So let's jump on into it here. Let's take a look at the close-up radar, seeing again some light snow out there even now. This is kind of part one of our two-part system. The steadier and heavier snow is going to be later today and into the evening and tonight. So that's where we'll be seeing most of the accumulation. But first, looking at temperatures, certainly cold enough out there for snow. Upper 20s, low 30s. And again, we do have some frost in the windshields out there as well. Temperatures on the chilly side out here in Newport, but we're dry for now. There are a few snow showers around. Winter weather advisory posted across our area. This is for today and into tonight for, again, accumulating snow across our entire area. We're thinking 3 to 5 inches of snow. This is updated as of this morning, about 6 a.m. And again, we're thinking that there could be even isolated pockets of maybe 6 inches in some cases. I'm thinking more so southeastern Mass. There also could be some ocean enhancement in some locations there, maybe out towards Plymouth County or maybe also into parts of Bristol County as well. But general speaking, 3 to 5 is what we're going with for this system. Tonight, looking at some snow showers around this morning and during the day. Steadier snow arrives in the afternoon and evening, heaviest during the evening. Plowable snow, like I mentioned, and slippery travel after sunset with those, colder temperatures really taking over as the sun goes down. So travel conditions, here's a better way to look at it for today and tonight. Early this morning, roads should be fine, even through about midday or so. I think there could be some flakes flying, but I think, it should be okay, or at least manageable. And then we go into the poor category after dark and right into tonight. You can see that red there on the screen. It shows that poor category for travel. Today again, snow likely, especially for the later part of the day. Winds light and variable, temperatures in the mid-30s, falling later on today for the Patriots game. Looking at a snowy time of it. May not be a lot of snow on the ground during the game, but certainly when you're heading home from the game, there could be some rough travel, some slick roadways out there. So be mindful of that if you're heading out there. Tonight's forecast, again, the snow continues. Steadiest and heaviest prior towards midnight, and then after midnight, looking at some leftover snow showers through about 8 a.m. on Monday. So we still could be seeing flakes flying when you wake up early Monday morning, but it wouldn't be nearly as steady and heavy. Let's time things out quickly here for you. We'll go through today again, some snow showers around for the first half of the day, then the steadier snow picks up this afternoon and evening, and you can see those temperatures in the lower 30s. And where you see those darker blues, that is going to be the steadier and heavier snow that continues right into tonight. But notice by midnight, we're seeing that snow break apart. It's leftover snow showers lingering until about 7, 8 o'clock on Monday. Then we'll be seeing some clearing skies with some sunshine. Temperatures, though, on Monday, going to struggle to get to freezing. So whatever does fall, not expecting much in the way of any kind of melting for Monday. And then very cold and frigid late Monday night and especially into Tuesday. Temperatures waking up Tuesday morning will be in the teens. So that is what we're looking at for our system. Again, it's a plowable snow for us. Most of the accumulation occurs later today, mainly after dark, and then into this evening and tonight. But don't be surprised to see some flakes flying during the daytime hours as well. And again, temperatures will be pretty close to the freezing mark for the daytime hours, maybe a little bit above, which is why we're not expecting a lot of accumulation during the day. But certainly, again, the heaviest stuff will be later on this evening and tonight. So enjoy your Sunday. Take it slow on the roads if you're traveling later on today, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care.